Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Mr. Fred Moa. So today I'll be teaching you on how to play a song called What a Friend We Have in Jesus. It's a Swahili song and it has a version, an English version, and it has also local versions. So I'll be teaching you how to play it in a Catholic way. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the lesson. So as usual, we are going to start with our melody. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. So let us teach the sound and use just the ordinary grand piano and strings. So and remember, we are using a key of F sharp. We are playing with the black keys. So let us start. So we are going to start on this note. We are going to start on this note. It's called C sharp. I have to play with one finger so that you can see clearly what I'm doing. So you start here. Let me play slowly again. What a friend we have in Jesus. So you can see. I will have transpose my piano to -6. So we are playing in a key of. I told you the previous lesson that you have to count from F sharp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are playing on a key of C major, but we are using the scale, F sharp scale, F sharp major scale, but we are playing our song on a key of C major because we have transposed our piano to -6. I hope you understood. So let's play again slowly. So one, and then the next. It's just like that. Let's repeat another time so that we can play our chords. So you have to practice that part, practice and practice because practice makes perfect. So let's go direct to our chords. Our chords will right hard. You start from F, the first, the root. Because I told you this is the root, this is the root, and then you bring this to this side, you hold it like this, So that is first inversion, and then we have the second inversion. First, this is called the root, first inversion, second inversion. So you start from here, the first inversion. Playing slowly. You start here, and then next there. I know you can mark the chords, just hold the way I'm holding them. So you go downwards, and then the next part we are using this, so you use the lower octave. You start from the lower octave. This is the second part. So we start first part, and then the second part. You see? There again. Then when you join the first part and the second part, let's play the both of them. And then the third you repeat the first part. The last part. Like that. So we join those 4 parts. Let's play the 4 parts. I hope you understood that part. Let me play once more so that we can go to the next part. And then the second part, da, dun, dun, da, ra, 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 da. You start from here, the next part. This is C sharp major. This is very simple. You go like this. Then then the first one, and then finish. Yeah, you repeat those progression one by one, and then combine together, they make the full song. Let's play the full song with our right hand, then we shall welcome our left hand. your right hand. You start here. So the bass is very simple. You start here. You start here. You have just to hold one note at a time. So I will finish by playing the song with the beat. Let's find our tempo using the metronome and the tempo tapper. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to use a tempo of 66. Let's start our song and I hope you enjoy. Another thing, you have to break your chords so that the song can be sweet. You don't just have to hold your chord like. No, you have to break it. So let's play with breaking our chords so that we can have that sweetness of the song. Let's go. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this YouTube channel. Thank you. My name is Fred Moa as always, and God bless you.